What's up, YouTube? This is Robbie with Robbie's Reviews, and today we're going to talk about this Snap-on half-inch ratchet. The date code is showing that it's from 1946, can be seen right there. This ratchet pretty much goes to show you that Snap-on is truly the best. The part number is an L710, but listen to how low a 2 count that is. But for being 60, 70 years old, this is a dope ass ratchet. It's killing it. I've used it a couple times. Nothing. I avoid using it. It mostly just sits in the box. Cleaned it up, took it apart, and replaced it, like cleaned it up and re-greased it in there. Probably needs to be done again, but you know, whatever. This is just good old proof that Snap-on truly is one of the best companies. And if I really wanted to, I could take this and have it rebuilt by my Snap-on dealer today, and he wouldn't phase him not a lick. He's probably got a rebuild kit on the truck. I wouldn't be surprised. He's always got kits. This is not quick release, and it does have some aging. You can see how the metal is tarnishing, and it's got scuffs and stuff. But I would say for as old as it is, it's in pretty good shape for what I would expect. I mean, I've got All Harbor Freight ratchets in worse shape than this, only a year old. This is gonna be a quick one today. I couldn't decide what I wanted to do this video on today. So I did a quick. We're gonna do a short one on this, and I'll get it uploaded and come back tomorrow with something a little better for you. I have no idea. I haven't really heard in the comments from anybody on what they wanted reviewed, so I've been just kind of guessing and running through my toolbox on what I can put out. So if anybody watches this and thinks, hey, I might want to buy this, and you want some opinions on it, how it works and stuff, just let me know in the comments. I'll go pick it up if it's reasonable. I mean, I'm not gonna go buy any not gonna buy any like $600+ items, but if it's a couple $100, go pick it up, check it out. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.